guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Mabenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Golden Arrows 1. I'm joined by my brother Libitso Kemanguzogoga.
Like LSD bana.
Yeah.
Eh, awas Tibo.
Lobele ngone from Mulobedi. Kenda Mulobedi kutabulobedi. Awumunada. Kenda tokula waitsima sandawana. Meto semenya waitsima. Mulobedi rapenyana Mulobedi. Kulobedu. Ya ba Kulobedu. Askutaka bula. Ya waba kulo.
Move chance.
Onokoro waba.
Ya move chance. Tabule.
Oh, Lola Steve.
Yeah, sure. Agim na.
All right.
What's it?
Eh, why is man? Wabana mo harbolela kantoring. Hai mampele, Sundowns. Ona e ba ka fitletsa.
Ai.
Ona team engwe ka fitletsa Sundowns. Ai teng. Le Sundowns le Pirate ya zama ere. Wabazama ba minyeta Sundowns. Ba minyeta Pirate. Ona ntwe minyeta. Ai teng ntwe minyeta. Ba itur there's only number 1 team in South Africa. And that's Sundowns. In the world. And that's Sundowns. Auna team engwe ka fitletsa than Sundowns. On twar. I think team engwe ka fitletsa than Sundowns. On twar. So get aba itlwele Sundowns to win a league. Fala no ntwe dalang. It's about goals. It's about goals. And wabona re sembarke Pirate era latella. Rona harba 2 goals. Lone beta 2 goals. Hari 2 goals. Hari 2-1. 2-1. Ona ntho ba yetsa. Uno go bisa fela.
Bako ba Sundowns.
Ona ntho ba yetsa. That's why Sundowns by Darisa every 3 games, 2 games. Because by dangerous. There's danger coming. Look out. There's danger coming. Sundowns is coming. Thank you.